Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro is on sale. Could this mean the Mavic Pro 2 is far behind? We'll find out coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Osterlevit has been enjoying his Chinese New Year's. We haven't seen tweets from him in the past couple of days. But one thing that we have seen is a price drop on the DJI Mavic Pro. Currently on Amazon, it's on sale for $813 USD. That's $186 USD off the normal retail price. This is exciting news. What this usually indicates from the standpoint of retailers is they're clearing out inventory to make room for something else. And that something else is the DJI Mavic Pro 2. We did see a flurry of tweets last week from Osterlev regarding the Mavic Pro 2, and I'll have a link in the description for that. All of this boils down to the fact that the DJI Mavic Pro 2 is coming sooner rather than later, and this date of March 23rd that Osterlev had talked about looks very promising indeed. So stay tuned, we're going to find out a whole lot more coming out about this. I know this video isn't very long, but I did want to get this information out to you so you are aware of that. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates on the drone industry and anything, of course, that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my blog where I do post everything else and also all these videos so everyone can get notified there's a new video out there. Thanks for watching. Happy flying!